Fedora 42 Plasma KDE versus CachyOS. Fedora 42 is one of the most popular Linux distributions. It continues its tradition of offering up-to-date software. It offers the GNOME desktop improvement and strong community support. So its pros is it's backed by Red Hat with a strong long-term support. It also has a great balance between stability and cutting-edge features. It also has an excellent documentation and active community. It also has a strong support for Flatpak and modern packaging, and it's also secure and reliable. The only problem is it can be heavier than Arch-based distros, and there's less controls for users who want extreme customization. Now, Keishi OS, on the other hand, is a performance-tuned Arc-based distribution built for speed, gaming, and modern distribution hardware. It comes with optimized kernels, performance patches, and pre-configured settings to maximize efficiency. So its pros is it's based on Arch with rolling release updates. It's also optimized kernels for the performance. It has an excellent gaming with out-of-the-box tweaks, and it is extremely fast and lightweight with a full Arch ecosystem with AUR support. The problem is they have a smaller community compared to Fedora, and it's more advanced, so not as beginner friendly. So overall, if you want a stable, professional Linux distro backed by Red Hat, then choose Fedora 42. But if you're a power user or a gamer who wants raw performance and Arch level, then choose Keishi OS.